So we're over here at the Civivi and Sencut knives booth, and I wanted to show you some of the knives that they got coming out here. These are some of the newer ones. And like I always say, probably the first thing you should buy as a prepper is a good pocket knife. We have some really nice nice knives to choose from here. We'll go around the other side here and take a look.
First one is
just to give you an idea of the size of this booth. Let me back up a little. It's huge. I really like this big banter. I was looking at this earlier. That's a nice looking knife. I like the scales on it and everything. They got some nice little everyday carry knives over here. The Sencut everyday carry knives. I'm gonna take a walk over to the other side, take a look at them. So we'll just go this way. Take a look at the other side here. And again, I love this San Angelo. Look at that. That is a nice looking knife. It feels good in my hand too, even though I'm not left-handed. Feels really good. Let's go look up front here and see what else they got. They're kind of busy, so I don't have somebody talking to me. I'm just kind of looking myself. There's the Civivi. Now here's some of the ones that you might be familiar with. The Elementum with the little Warncliffe blade on it. Yeah. Go around the front here. There you go. So that is this booth here. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick look since I've done a couple of these knives in the past. And I want to give you a quick look at everything there. All right, on with the show.